Hello and welcome to another tutorial. Today I will show you how you can create markers in your clustered line and bar chart. Okay, first thing, my name is Catherine. I'm Managing Director of YotaBI Consulting, and I'm also founder of Female Fabricator and Power Platform UserGroup. You can find me on Blue Sky or follow me on LinkedIn. Maybe you are also or already follow me on YouTube. You can go on my website. I have a blog there, and yeah, would be nice to see you there. Let's start with the tutorial. As I mentioned before, today I will show you how you can create these markers and what are they doing. So if I switch, for example, to sales territory, you see the markers go up and down and show us how the difference are and how we can achieve this. First, we need our line and clustered column chart. Column chart, not a bar chart. And first thing, click on it. And then we create first our chart. What do we need for it? So let's check. We have month in the x-axis, we have month over month in revenue in the y-axis, and we have in the line y-axis also month over month. So let's do this. First, put in our month over month in the line, as well as in the y-axis for the columns. Add the revenue to the columns and put the month in the x-axis. Okay, doesn't look like my chart, right? So let's adjust it a bit. First, we go to the Format Your Visual area, and we can start with the x-axis. First, we put in categorical. You see now the order is not sorted right, so we can click above our visual in the right corner, and we can open the menu and switch the sorting. So sort ascending, and then we have the right numbers here, but it's still not the right order. So let's click again and say sort after month, and now we have the right order here. So maybe you had this problem before, maybe now it's solved. Okay, let's go on. Then we can delete the title of the x-axis and make it smaller. Then we go to the y-axis. We can switch off the values, the title, so now it looks a bit cleaner. Then we can switch off the legend. And next thing, we go to the columns. Open the columns menu. We choose first month over month. Then we say, okay, month over month is white. Oh, yes, right one. Then switch on the border, and then we have to choose all to see the layout and to choose overlap. Then we change the space between the series. Now you see it's a little bit overlapping. And the next thing is we have to go to the line. Let me shut this down, and then we go to the lines. Here we can open the series, see all, and then we can say instead of, oh no, it's not the line we have to switch off. Sometimes there's so many features, it's really confusing sometimes. We need the markers. Open the markers, then we have all, we switch them on, and now you can choose between the markers. For example, we choose the rectangle, and then we can choose the rotation, so we can put in here 90, and we can make it bigger, so let's say make it 15, and we can also create a border around it. So maybe we make the border black so we can see it better, and the width a bit smaller. Okay, now it's better. And then we can make the color of the marker light gray. So we see a bit better. And I guess that's it. So, no, not all. Let me finish. So we have to go to general and switch off the title as well. And now you see we have the exact same visual here as I created before, and it works the same. You see, I switch the sales territory, and you see the markers switching also here. That's it. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, and we see us in the next tutorial. Bye!